Read together. I'm not cute by Jonathan Allen. Why are you not cute? Baby all decided to explore the woods. Nobody will bother me, he thought. Then along came Rabbit. You're not cute. You're so cute, baby all, said Rabbit. And so small. And Rabbit gave Baby all a great big hug. Oh, I'm not cute, said Baby all. And I'm not small. I'm a huge and scary hunting machine with great big soft and silent wings. Yes, you are. Then along came Fox, doing a little dance, baby all. Asked Fox, you are so cute and so fluffy. And Fox gave baby all a great big hug. Not so cute, said baby all. And I'm not fluffy. I'm a whole sleek hunting machine with great BBC in the dark eyes. Then along came Squirrel. You're so cute, baby all, said Squirrel, with those big baby eyes. And Squirrel gave baby all a great big hug. Oh, it's again. I am not cute, shouted baby all. And I don't have big baby eyes. Then along came Mom. There's you. How's my baby all? Asked Mom. It's not fair, said baby all. Rabbit, fox, and squirrel all say I'm cute, but I'm not. Of course you are not cute, baby all, said Mommy. You are huge, scary, sleek, sharp-eyed hunting machine. And Mommy gave baby all a great big hug. Baby all thought for a moment. But I'm cute, said baby all. Poor baby all, said Mom, you are tired and it's your bedtime for you. Mom tucked baby all into his warm, cozy bed. She read him a story and baby all drift off to sleep. You are so cute, baby all, whispered Mom. For a huge, scarcely sharp-eyed hunting machine that is. Good night, baby all. What is this story?